Where's
Shoot
the,
me!
Turn around!
Shoot me
what's
or
the
I
car?
will shoot you!
Hey!
No!
Hey!
On Monday, February 15th, 2021, at 7:25 a.m., the Riverside County Sheriff's Department received a call regarding an assault with a deadly weapon in the area of Simon Drive and Highway 111 in the city of QUINTA. Dispatch received information that an adult male driving a black Mercedes had pointed a handgun and made threatening statements toward the driver of another vehicle.
911, what's your emergency?
No license plate, black SL63 convertible Mercedes. Gentleman just stuck a gun in my face at Chase Bank on the Highway 111. He's turning left onto the Highway 111.
Chase Bank on Highway 111 and where?
Headed towards Washington. He's on Highway 111 headed towards Washington in Wakita, towards Indian Wells.
And it was a black Cadillac?
It's a black Mercedes SL60. There's a dealer purchase plate on the back. It's an AMG racing model. He's now racing down the street, cutting in between cars. He's brandishing a gun. He stuck it in my face. Now he's racing towards the Esmeralda Resort.
Okay, what's your name?
I did nothing other than slam on my brakes to stop him from running into me. And then he got out and did this.
Investigators later learned that the suspect, identified as Royce Javon Robertson, stopped his car on the roadway in front of the victim's car. Robertson exited his car while holding a gun and walked over to the victim, who was still seated in his car. Robertson pointed his gun at the victim and yelled, "Do you want to die today?" After a short confrontation, Robertson got back into his car and drove away. While deputies were responding to the location, dispatch relayed information that Robertson was traveling westbound on Highway 111. Responding deputies located Robertson's vehicle near the intersection of Desert Horizons and Highway 111. A deputy attempted a traffic stop, but Robertson would not pull over. Robertson drove past the entrance of the Desert Horizons Country Club and stopped his car just inside the gate. As a second deputy arrived at the location, Robertson exited his car and began yelling at the deputies. At one point, Robertson pulled a handgun from a holster inside his jacket and pointed it at the deputies. What only Robertson knew, and what investigators later determined, was that his weapon was an air pistol that looked nearly identical to a real handgun. At that time, a deputy-involved shooting occurred. The suspect was struck by the deputy's gunfire and ultimately succumbed to his injuries despite life-saving efforts performed by the deputies and medical personnel at the scene.
Johnny 7, I'll be on a stop of the vehicle just inside the country club.
Dispatch all units, minimum traffic for 2 John 87. We'll be in front of Desert Horizons Country Club, 44900 Desert Horizons Drive.
Johnny 7, do I have another unit coming?
Additional unit responding. 32 2 out.
Johnny 7, clear for the plate.
2 John 87, go ahead.
2, looks like Sam Nora 6406. Hey, stay in your vehicle! Stay in your vehicle! Get in your fucking vehicle!
Shoot me! Shoot me!
Hey, turn around!
End
Turn
existence.
around!
End
Turn around!
existence.
Where's
Shoot
the,
me!
Turn around!
Shoot me
what's
or
the
I
car?
will shoot you!
Hey!
No!
Hey!
I'm going to be in a beige Hyundai Sonata Santa Fe.
Medical, we got one down, shots fired. Deputies are okay.
Here is a replay of the suspect's actions at half speed. The suspect, Royce Javon Robertson, a 33-year-old resident of Joshua Tree, died at the scene. The weapon recovered at the scene was a Crossman full-auto P1 4.5mm BB air pistol.